Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My English book 8th standard. Today we are going to learn our new poem Try Again. Before going to learn our poem, let's read our words which are going to be there in our poem. नोटिस किया होगा जब भी हम कुछ नया सीखने जाते हैं तो उसके पहले मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि वर्ड्स देख लो, तो उसका एक फ़ायदा ये होता है कि आप वर्ड्स मीनिंग समझ लेते हो। वर्ड्स से आप पता चल जाता है कि ये वर्ड्स आने वाले हैं बुक पोएम में या फिर चैप्टर में, तो ये हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं। सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ अवर पोएम ट्राई अगेन एंड देयर वर्ड्स। इट्स टीज, इट इज़ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ इट इज़। टीज, hate, succeed, courage, appear, preserve, conquer, fear, fail, prevail, strive, disgrace, race, case, task, hard, reward, patience. So those are our words. Now let's see what you have to do. You have to copy the words in your notebook and then write the meaning of the word. So let's start our poem Try Again. Teach a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you were preserver, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If you strive, 'tis no disgrace, though we do not win the race. What should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. By W. E. Hickson.